We are pleased to show you the 2020 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you and is priced below $115,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, HD radio. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.